another Epicflows Production.
How for number this?
What number are you trying to reach?
Baby, your voice sound nice though.
Well, I think you have the wrong number.
Why you feel like me have the wrong number? A destiny for me call and just get you, you know.
Please check to ensure that you have enough credit to make this call.
What happened
If
to
you
this
do
cell?
have enough
Hello?
Baby, you look like my credit done just all ago. Thief in digital.
It happens. Take it easy.
So wait there look a bit, I could talk look a bit now, babe, so you run go.
Hello?
So baby, I know you might tell her for wait look a bit, I could talk. I throw wrong number, I dial it now if you hang up on me.
So why'd you dial it again?
Baby, I call back to apologize. I can't take you on a date sometime.
You're forgiven.
So what about the date?
What?
So we can't talk a little bit longer so I can hear that sexy voice some more.
They've got 900 numbers for that. See ya. Hello?
Girl, how me do make you not want to talk to me?
Who is this?
You know who this?
I don't think so.
So how I make that noise there?
Popcorn.
That not sound like popcorn. I'm new chop that. So you come like a popcorn alone you can't cook so.
Uh-huh.
So babes, me and you can go watch a movie down a Carib sometime. I'm gonna buy you some popcorn since I say you like it.
Well, I'm getting ready to watch a video.
Without me. So yeah, watch.
Oh, just some scary movie.
Oh, so you like Duppy show?
Uh-huh.
So you ever watch a bad man show named Shatter Z? Or a beard Duppy show you like? No matter still, no, me can bring over a movie right now and we'll watch it together, you know.
I don't know.
Baby, me can even make a star in your own show tonight, you know. Hollywood. Nobody ever make you stay up the whole night yet, baby. Have your pum pum a drip like it off the floor. So you have a boyfriend?
Why?
Cause me don't want to run my 3-star up in a boy tonight, babes. So you have a man or not?
No.
You never give me an answer still if me can come over and we watch a movie together. You're not even tell me your name.
Why do you want to know my name?
Cause I want to know if a pum pum I go get mashed up tonight.
What did you say?
Me say if you're good tonight.
That's not what you said.
What you hear like me say?
Look, I gotta go.
So we now work up on the date?
Nah, I don't think so.
Girl, move and go.
Yes?
Girl, you think say you better than man? The one date man ask up and you go on so. You feel like your shit can't make party?
What do you want?
I just start more and talk a little bit man. I make you go on so.
Well, dial someone else, okay? Listen, asshole!
No, you listen you little bumbo clock, girl. You think that you come from uptown and man come from to get you better than me. Girl, me know where you live and you see if you ever hang up this bumbo clock phone again. Me I come here yard and me I burn it down and me I kill your whole family, you hear that?
Is this some kind of joke?
This is no IT and fancy cat.
Listen, I am 2 seconds away from calling the police.
Don't make me laugh. Them good at come here and help me more than they help you.